So what is Ayush EduVibe? Ayush EduVibe is a training and development company, and my focus is to work with students, college students, institutions, and make sure that everybody have the skills that they need to work in the organization. Say for example now Volvo, okay, number one company when it comes to car manufacturing, and they are recruiting in Bangalore, and they're recruiting in many other locations. So I would recommend all the mechanical engineers and the software engineers to go and apply. So what Ayush EduVibe does is we do training, we do placements, and we also work on foreign job opportunities. So I could send you to Dubai, I could send you to Singapore. So the goal here is not to focus on one country. The goal here is to focus on your skill and your individual needs, and then make sure that you are reaching the career path that you have aimed for. It is not about అందరూ వెళ్తున్నారు మీరు కూడా చేయండి, లేకపోతే మొత్తం వరల్డ్ ఒకవైపు వెళ్తుంది మీరు వెళ్ళండి. ఇట్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ వాట్ యూ యాక్చువల్లీ నీడ్. మీ ఫ్యామిలీకి ఏం రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, మీకేం అంబిషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, అండ్ విల్ డూ దాట్. సో దాట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఆయుష్ EduVibe is all about.